Hello, I've had a question on my YouTube channel. I get lots of questions, but that's probably the first one I've ever had on the YouTube channel, so this is pretty exciting for me at the moment. Anyway, I've been a bit quiet because I haven't been here, really. I've been over at Mallorca for a little while, catching a few rays, spending a bit of time with the family, you know, doing a bit of splashing about. I wouldn't mind buying a place over there one day. You never know. Perhaps if I can crack this trading lock, you never know, do you? Anyway, Roni Sejawan, I can't say your name, I do apologise, Roni. But anyway, the question is how to extend and straight trendline automatic, which I think translates to how do I extend the straight lines on the trend lines automatically. If it's not the right question, if I've misinterpreted that, I do apologise, but that's the best. I'm going to show you how to do that anyway. And it's dead simple. If you've got a trend line and you wanted to draw a trend line from up here or something, this would be a nice looking, I don't know. Anyway, that'll do. Mine is already extended. That would just go on for infinity. But if yours are somewhat shorter, like that, then yours don't extend automatically. So all you have to do is, you might have spotted what I've just done. So supposing you drew your trend line like so, and you double click on it, or you can only do this once at a time, but once you've done it, it remains. So you just need to switch on the ray like that, and it just extends forever. See, this one hasn't got it on, if you look, and that one has. So really, it is that simple. I hope that's what you were looking to find out. The other thing you can do, I'll tell you what else you can do with these. So if you've got your ray on or off, we just get rid of those. So if you say, for example, you think, oh, we might be in a price channel, for example, then you can double click on it, hold down the control key and copy it. I think you can do this with most objects in MT4. No, you can do it with the horizontal lines the same. You can't make these shorter or longer, the horizontal lines. There's no option, but you can just copy them if you wanted to mark out some price levels, for example. You know, some like ranges or whatever, really. You can just control and copy, and they all stay the same. So this control and copy thing is really useful, isn't it? You know, if you want to sort of just mark out that wick area there for your channel and think, right, I'm selling if it pops in and out of there or something. I've traded gold yesterday, actually. I've never really gone near it before because it's an expensive thing to trade, but I've got such a great margin with one of the brokers on it. It's like I was basically doing £10 a pip for £20 margin. Obviously, there's a bit of risk attached to that. That's the way it worked out. I don't really understand because spread betting in the UK gets a bit confusing. Anyway, listen, I'll put that's how you do your lines. I'll just recap on that. Trend line. Okay, let me just go back to how yours might be if it's not extending already. So recap. So trend line, place, double click on the trend line, and you get these boxes. Then you can right click trend line properties. If you don't see trend line properties, you're not in the trend line properties place. Pop in that and just switch on the ray. While you're there, if you want, you can change the colours and the styles. And I just use mine on thickness like that. So there you go. That's it, really. You can put it behind as the background behind the chart, I think. And so ray on, ray off, ray on. Trend line properties, ray off. And then it's great because you can use this as a little straight line and you can just sort of put it all over the place, can't you? Fantastic. Right, okay. That's it. That's all I'm going to do because I need to go, and I've got to go back on the internet now. I've got to go shopping for a villa in Mallorca with a massive swimming pool because I just need to get back out there. I don't like all this cloudy weather. If you get any more questions, oh, I'm sorry if I shouted then. And this chair's really creaky. I apologise for that. I don't know what's happened to it. It's only about 3 months old and it's creaking like Harry Potter's staircase it is. Anyway, I'm going to get off, and if you get any other questions, drop me a line, whatever, on the channel, and I'll always try and answer them. If I don't know the answer, I'll just take a good guess. No, if I don't know the answer, I just won't answer that. How about that? All right, you take care. See you another time.